Hi everyone, hope y'all are doing well. I'm Ash, y'all are watching Preen Ash Bae. Myth. Myth. What is the meaning of word myth? A story from past time, especially one about gods and men, of course. Myth often explain natural or historical events. Myth means an idea or story which many people believe but that does not exist or is false. Example: the idea that money makes you happy is a myth. मिथ का मतलब मनगढ़ंत, काल्पनिक विचार या पौराणिक कथा. Friends, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you all. Take care. Bye bye.